Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now for this, you will need to have a cable. As you can see, I have one right over here, and you want to plug it into your computer. From there, connect it to your phone. And we're gonna turn off our device, so let's hold our power key, select power off. And once the device turns off, you can either try to hold it right now, power key and volume up, or you can wait for the battery charging status to show up, and once it kind of like dims out, we can then hold our power key and volume up. If you try it right now, before that shows up, it just will not do anything. So there we go, it dimmed out after showing us the percentage. Let's hold power key, volume up. And this will show up with the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use the volume keys to navigate through the menu. So volume down will obviously go down and up will go up. And you'll confirm whatever is selected using your power key. Now quickly going into the options that are accessible right here, we can reboot the device, we can boot to bootloader, we can apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off the device and repair apps. Now one thing that I'll mention is the bootloader right here most likely will not boot us into bootloader, even though it's named like that. So we can test it out. It's probably going to be download mode or fast boot mode in this case. So like I said, no bootloader, obviously. Anyway, to leave the mode you would have to select reboot system now, and if you decided to boot into the fast boot mode like I did, I'm just gonna hold power key and volume down. Once it turns off, we can let go and the device will not turn on its own apparently. So let's hold power key now. And this will now take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.